Hi friends, you need a perfect website for your business, and in this video we are going to a modern look and effective website that is suitable for corporate business, and you will be able to create a website like this after watching this video. For creating a perfect website you need a perfect WordPress theme, and WP Themes channel brings all the selected WordPress themes for you. In this video we are going to create a website using a responsive multi-purpose WordPress theme, and this theme is called GLB. GLB is responsive multi-purpose WordPress theme, and it has been developed by the Lion Themes. So Lion Themes are the original developer of this theme and they are elite authors. The theme came into existence in 2018 and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. GLB is a multi-purpose responsive and retina ready WordPress theme with tons of features and elements to help you build your creative business website in minutes. So we are going to use this theme for creating a business website like this, and you will be able to create at your own after watching this video. And this is a perfect theme and it has all the stunning look and the features that you need for your business website. So watch this video until end and create a wonderful website like this. So we are going to install GLB WordPress theme to overview the complete features of this theme, the installation process and demo content import process, like making demo website like this, and we will overview the theme options, basic customization options, so that you understand the complete features of this theme and create a suitable website, and also know the possibility with the theme what you can do with the website in the future. So let us begin the installation, and I have a fresh installation of WordPress, and I am assuming that you have installed WordPress at your hosting plan, and if you have yet not taken any suitable hosting plan for your website, you may consider to take a hosting plan by following the link given in the description, and you will also get the theme pack there, and you can also opt to have a pre-installed theme at your hosting plan with the domain name. So all is available here in the video link description, so just follow the link. And now let us start the installation of GLB responsive multi-purpose WordPress theme. Okay, so I have the theme pack, and in the theme pack I got documentation, licensing, some plugins has been supplied, and mostly plugins are here like Revolution Slider and Visual Composer, and some projects and shortcodes plugins has been given. The main theme file and child theme file is also here, so we are going to use these files for our installation process. And now to install the theme we have to be in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose glb.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your file manager, you can upload the same file directly to WP content themes folder. I'm doing the same, and you can have the access of file manager through cpanel or FTP, whatever you are having. You may use those credentials for uploading the theme pack, and you have to upload the theme in the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size in fact, and the theme file size is just 2.56 MB. It is really amazing and well optimized WordPress theme. This is why it is working very fast on the website. As you can see, it works very fast, and so you can export the pages and it works really in a wonderful speed. And I'll show you with all this installation. Okay, so let us proceed towards installation. And yes, so now we have uploaded the theme, and now progress bar is turned green with 100%, and we can go back, and now we can extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this GLB folder in which we got all the theme components folder and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is not required because we have already extracted it and it was just consuming the server space. Now we are fine to go in the theme section again, and we have now GLB as another theme option along with the default theme. So now we can check the details. This is GLB version 1.1.2 and a responsive WordPress theme by Line Themes. Let us activate this theme first. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete features of this theme, and these are the list of 10 plugins that has been recommended by the developer for this theme to get the complete feature. And this theme uses Advanced Custom Fields Pro, Breadcrumb is here, and Contact Form 7 is for creating contact forms. Mega Menu has been used for hero images. Revolution slider is being used. Shortcodes are here, and Video Lightbox is also here. This theme uses WP Bakery Visual Composer as a page builder and widget CSS classes, and one plugin directly by the Line Themes that may be a core plugin. So I am going to install all these 10 plugins, and I also recommend to install all these recommended plugins, and this can be done in a single click, and I'm doing the same. And if you are not confident about your server capacity and you have not taken the hosting plan with the WP themes by following the link given in the description, you may consider installing the plugins one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. Now you can see all the plugins got installed within seconds, and we can go back to the plugin installer screen. And now it is time to activate all the installed plugins, and that also can be done in a single click. Okay, wonderful. So all plugins and theme itself has been installed successfully, and now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins. Okay, so this is being the basic look of GLB. I'm in the website using the GLB theme, and yes, of course it is without any content, and we can start building our website scratch from here if we are having our own wireframe and design blocks. But yes, I believe you are here for a pre-made website and you wish to have a pre-made website like this, and this is well designed, well customized, and we can start our website directly by putting our own content and it will be ready website. So for this we need to import demo content, and now I will go for showing you how to import the demo content. Okay, so and this is appearance tab, and there is an option called sample data under appearance tab. Just click on this, and this is the demo content import option, and there is only one option and one button. Simply click on import and click on OK, and now the screen will show you each and everything what is going on, and it is very simple. And I believe it is not bringing the original images, only placeholder images will be here, but we can check what is coming in the media library in another tab. Okay, and yes, these are only placeholder images. Some vector images are here. 265 media items is already here, and it is really very fast, and it is regenerate attachment thumbnails. Don't refresh this page, don't hit the back button while the import process is going on. It is and a very important process for importing the demo content, and it all depends on your server capacity, internet speed, and the connection with the developer server itself. So you need to wait on this screen without disturbing it, and meanwhile you can explore this theme and its look and wonderful styling of presenting the content. Okay, so we have to wait here, until all images and thumbnails being regenerated. Regenerating thumbnail may take time, and it can take up to 20 minutes as I assume. It is my rough estimation only. And meanwhile we can check how many media items we have received. As of now there are 265 media items are here, so I believe mostly images has been provided in the demo content itself, and we can check the pages as well. Meanwhile the regeneration is going on. So okay, 47 pages are here, so I believe the demo content is completely here and we don't need to wait further. While regenerating is going on, we can explore other things what we have received in this installation, and we can also check this page. I assume the website should be ready, and yes, so it is here, and complete website is here, and yes, we have got the complete website, and it is really wonderful. So it goes without saying this, the installation process remained smooth and we got a complete website. Complete corporate website is here, and it has of course very stunning look, and all the features are working very fine. So we can check the pages now, and simply you can see the speed. So actually it is designed aesthetically for all the pages, and all the designs are here, and it has also mega menu. So case study number 2 is here, like everything is fine, and it is really presenting the content in a very specific manner so that you may put your content like a professional, and it is also going to support the e-commerce version. So just in case if you want to sell your goods and services here, you just need to install the WooCommerce, and it is WooCommerce ready WordPress theme, and your website will be e-commerce ready. And this is the menu, top menu, that is also converting into side menu, and everything is working fine. So you can see the quality of the website, it is really very good and amazing. So complete website is here, while the regenerate attachments is going on. So it should be complete of course, but yes, our website is ready. Regeneration of thumbnails is just resizing the images, so don't worry for that, and our complete website is here. Now since we have completed our installation and our complete website is here, I'll show you what we have received in this installation. So I will show you only those things that is additional to WordPress, and I believe everything is as common as in WordPress. Just I can see only a project tab that is additional, and this is the project tab, and here you can add the projects of your company, and you can edit the existing content, or you can add new projects as well. So this is the option, and rest of the tabs are as common as in WordPress. Custom fields are here, but yes, where to change the logo and rest of things, that can be done under the customize option I believe, and I'll show you how it can be possible. And this is also can be considered a theme control panel, and this is the stunning and the perfect control panel that where you can control your website, and it is under appearance customize tab. And yes, here is the logo option, so you can change the logo, default logo, retina, and logo size you can decide here. Logo dark you can decide, and the logo light. So you have to upload in fact 3 type of logo. Layout and style you can decide here. So I'm just giving you overview what you can do and how you can control your website. Ultimately you have to put your own content and use these features and the facilities that is available for editing the content, like layout setting, and you can choose as you wish, and everything is sidebar setting is here. Color and typography, so you can completely change the color, and you can even change the font and the font size and everything, line height and all such controls has been given perfectly here. And sidebar is here. Okay, and sliding menu and content bottom widgets. It is a very wonderful look, and button controls, button input text area and select. So this is being the complete set of controls that is available for our website. And finally, I am going to show you how to edit the on-page contents. So let us assume we are going to edit the home page itself, and if you are new to Visual Composer, you may take a backup of the page that you are going to edit, and you can simply open the page that you want to edit and click on edit with WP Bakery Page Builder. It is very simple to edit the content, and just you need to remember you have to use the same length content, the same length text content and the same dimension image that has been used in the demo website, so that integrity of your website remain intact. Okay, so it is loaded, and now I can show you the backend editor. Should work fine because somehow, okay, so backend editor will work good in this case. So you can simply for slider image or hero image area, you need to work on the revolution slider. So this is the revolution slider. For rest of the part on the page, you need to simply click on the pencil icon, and you can edit the images like line themes, line image box, and simply click on the pencil icon, that text that you want to change. And you can also add or remove the sections that you want to add or remove. So it is very simple to use, but be careful and don't disturb the layout of the page. And this is why I am asking you, use duplicator plugin to take backup of the page, and you can simply edit the contents. And if you need any support in this theme regarding customization and the editing and any question you might be having, so simply ask any question in the comment section of this video, and you can also get in touch with me directly by following link given in the description. While you are getting theme, hosting and domain, everything is there in the link. So just start building your website, and I am sure you will be able to create a stunning look website just be created like this. So it is wonderful theme, it goes without saying. You have seen in the video the installation process remained very smooth and successful. While this regenerating attachment is going on, it doesn't matter in fact, and our website is complete. And you can also create a stunning website like this. Just start your step, and we will be here to help you out. Okay, so let us meet in another video in which I am going to bring wonderful WordPress theme, plugin or utility for you. And if you are having any requirement of plugin, if you need any certain feature and you are looking for a plugin, you can ask any question by following the link given in the description. I will search a suitable plugin for you for any feature and definitely let you know. So let us be in touch while you are creating your website. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.